Welcome to How to Solve.
For today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. So if you want to deactivate your Facebook account, just follow the steps in this video. Make sure your Facebook account is already updated, so go to your Facebook account. Go to your profile, just click that. Scroll at the very bottom and you will see Settings and Privacy. Under that, just click the Settings. Go to your personal information, and as you can see at the very bottom, Manage Account, just click that, Legacy, Contact, and Deactivation Settings. Just select Deactivate, click that. Enter your password and then click Continue. Just read this, deactivating your Facebook account. Since this is my personal account, I'm just gonna select this as temporary and I'll be back. Just click Continue. Just read and review the information. So reactivating your account, I'm just gonna select 1 day and then select Continue. So before you deactivate your account, just read that, and then I'm just gonna scroll it down. As you can see at the very bottom, you can reactivate your account at any time by logging in your email and your password. Just don't forget your email and your password so you can always reactivate your account. After reading the policies and terms of Facebook, just click Deactivate My Account. Let's check if it's already deactivated, and then go to your Facebook. You will see the session expired, so it means your Facebook account is already deactivated. As I said earlier, if you want to reactivate your account, just type your email and your correct password. Just click Login and wait for a moment. So your Facebook is back. It will automatically reactivate once you type your correct email and password.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.